Please come and check out our new coffee shop, snack sandwich, onion rice, and Poplar Market, Unit 1. Poplar Market, Unit 1, Phipps Street, D14, London. Poplar Market, Phipps Street, come and try it out at our shop. Coffee only £1, all drinks £1. And go wrong, come and try it out. Best price wrong, best price wrong. Poplar Market is a Poplar Market, and Unit 1, you can't go wrong. Come and check it out.
আঁচল দিয়া ঢাইকা রাইখো চোখ যেন পড়ে না দুধে আলতা গায়ের বরণ রূপ যে কাঞ্চা সোনা আঁচল দিয়া ঢাইকা রাইখো চোখ যেন পড়ে না আমি প্রথম দেখে পাগল হইলাম মন তো আহার মানে
Check it out.
কাছে আইসো আইসো রে
Halal food. Totally £1 everything very reasonable price around the area. Best price in town. Check it out. You won't be disappointed, I'm sure.